Welcome back. Well, finally, we do have some rain chances on the horizon. Unfortunately, they may come around trick-or-treat times going into Thursday. Also, rain chances on Friday. The weekend, it should tone down. But overall, we do need the rain, and we do have some coming, but not everybody's going to get a whole lot. So let's take a look at the big picture and look at that water vapor imagery. And what we can see is moisture beginning to surge northward out of the western Gulf of Mexico on the periphery of both of these ridges out in the Gulf and in the eastern U.S. So we have some moisture coming up. We have a big frontal trough. This is mainly going to be pushing off to the northeast, but it's going to drag more instability, push this high pressure off to the east, and eventually give us a chance of showers and even some thunderstorms. It's all snow at elevation off to the north, showers farther to the north, and maybe a severe weather outbreak for our friends up in the Midwest tomorrow. But locally here, we've been seeing a few scattered showers as we check in on the regional Doppler radars. It looks like Cameron's going to get a couple of showers in the marsh anyway as activity continues to move northward. The rest of Acadiana should be quiet tonight, generally fair to partly cloudy skies as seen on Power Doppler 3 this evening. Now, as we get into the tropics, still some interest out here, especially in the Caribbean. Models continue to insist that there may be something up here in the Caribbean over the next week to 10 days, maybe more than one system. But right now, there's a 40% chance of some development in an area that we don't have any real suspect areas or low pressure systems developing, but this is the zone where we think something's going to get going. No threat to our part of the world, but notice the moisture conduit that we just showed you on the water vapor imagery reaching us as we head into Thursday, and with that frontal trough nearby, we're going to have a front that pushes in. That should give us a good chance of scattered showers, maybe a couple of healthy thunderstorms as well, and then we'll be watching the tropics. You see how this low pressure system gets cranked up a little bit, not much, so maybe a weak tropical storm. We'll push it out 10 days. I shouldn't show you this, but you see how this starts to move northward, but at the same time, we have a good-looking front a week from Friday. We're talking beyond, say, November 7th or 8th. By the 9th or 10th, I think we're going to see 40s at night, but that's a long ways away. In the near term, partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. We hold in the 70s. Tomorrow, a few spotty showers, better chance of showers or storms offshore back to the west of us, but we can see some of that activity bleeding in. Then we get into Thursday, and we're going to see scattered showers and maybe a couple of healthy thunderstorms, but as activity rolls eastward, during trick-or-treat times, it may try to fall apart, but we can't count on that. We do have to count on some rain, and this frontal boundary stays nearly stationary through Friday, generates more showers and storms as it moves back to the north Friday evening, and that means we'll dry out as we head into the weekend. As for rainfall, this is through Thursday evening. Some spots not getting much. Others might pick up an inch or two. And then we add the rains on Friday, and it looks like the model data coming in line with at least we'll see scattered activity. Not everybody's going to get what they need, but it is a start after 35 consecutive days so far without rain in the bucket at the Lafayette Airport. 71 the low tonight, so it will be breezier, and the humidity will be picking up as well. And then tomorrow, an isolated shower possible with rain chance at about 20%. We'll start off partly to mostly cloudy, but it looks like as the day wears on, we're going to see thicker clouds rolling in from the Gulf of Mexico as pictured here on your True View forecast. But another warm one, 87 the high. That's what we were today, 2 degrees shy of a record. So as warm as it gets in late October. There's your rain chances Thursday, Friday, 60%, so it's not guaranteed everybody gets rain. Rain chances tone down for the weekend. The clocks go back, and then going into next week, we'll be zeroing in on a front next Thursday that could bring us much cooler fall-like temperatures. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.